Today I'm diving into one of the most exclusive products from Gold Professional Hair Care. If you don't already know, this is a totally new brand to the US from Scandinavia, from Denmark, that is vegan, eco-friendly, salon only, and it's not available on Amazon or on any online website or local store. So if you want to learn more, keep watching.
Our repair shampoo and conditioner is going to be great for all textures, anyone that has any kind of damage from heat or styling, environmental. Purification level on this as well is just a moderate. This is going to go in and restructure the hair, build bonds. This is great for fine hair as well as their daily shampoo. Because it has the vegetable protein and the amino acid complex, it really goes in and makes fine hair feel a little bit fuller, a little bit thicker without weighing it down. And it's great for anyone with any kind of damage. Our repair conditioner, same thing, protein based. This is going to be great as well for anyone with any kind of porosity issues, split ends, any kind of hair that just has some damage that needs a little bit of work. Because our repair shampoo and conditioner are protein based, you want to make sure that you are not using the repair shampoo or conditioner on anyone with extensions, Brazilian blowouts, or keratin treatments. Because those scenarios, someone with extensions, the extensions go through so much of a process in manufacturing that they tend to get more dry. So you want to make sure that you are using a more hydrating product and not a protein product. And same thing with keratins and Brazilian blowouts. You're already adding keratin to that hair, so you want to make sure that you're balancing it with hydration and not protein. So repair shampoo and conditioner, no extensions, no Brazilians, and no keratins.
If you want to be the first salon to carry Gold Hair Care, be sure to contact me, message me below, or if you're one of my customers already, be sure to reach out as soon as possible. We have some great opportunities to get into this brand, and if you're a customer, be sure to ask your stylist for it because they may not even know about this brand. So the only way to get it is from a distributor or a salon. Be sure to reach out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit subscribe and click the bell to make sure you get notified because my next video is going to be on the next product and you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.